Hi everyone, so in this video we will learn how you can generate QR code using JavaScript. So let's get started. First of all, we need a basic structure. Include a script file here. Also link to a style sheet. Now we need one container. Here we will have one input element. Placeholder will be enter text. We need one button. It will be generate. We need one div element to show the QR code, and we'll give it an ID of QR code. Let's go to style sheet and style these elements. Select a container. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Justify content will be space between. Margin will be auto. Height will be around 320 pixels. Width will be 250 pixels. Select QR code div. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Height will be 250 pixels. Save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. To generate a QR code, we have to make use of this library QR code. And this is the example how you can use it. But first of all, we have to download this. So click on this link. Click on this minified version. Click on raw. Now this thing you have to copy and paste. I have already done so, and I got this file here, QRCode.js. When you will click on this, you will see the minified version. So basically just copy this and paste it here. I'm just doing it again just to show you what you actually have to do, and save this file. Now you can close it, go to index file, and here before script.js you have to include it. That's it. To know how to use it, we need to go to home page. Just click on this back button. So this is the basic usage, and this is the usage with the options. So let's work on the script file. So first of all, we have to select the input. So it will be document.querySelector. Input. Select the button. So it will be document.querySelector button. Now we need this piece of code. Now you can just simply copy this and paste it here. Make it let instead of for, and here you need to provide the element. So it will be document.querySelector QR code, the ID of that div. So document.querySelector QR code. And here you can put a link or a text. We'll make it hello world. You can also specify the height and the width. Let me make it 250 pixels. You can also specify your own colors, the color dark and color light, but I will keep the default. And this is the option for the correction level. There are 4 levels: low, medium, quartile, that is Q, and high. So you can specify L, M, Q, and H here. This basically means in case your QR code is damaged for some reason and you want to make sure it is still decodable, in that case you can specify the level here. So the highest possible is H, so we are specifying H here, but you are free to use L, M, Q, okay? But in my case, I will go with the H. If you want to know more about it, you can simply Google it. Now let's add an event listener to this button. It will be click event. We'll take the input value. So let's make it input value. Now we need to call a function that will be QRCode.makeCode, and we need to supply this value. That's all what you have to do. Now just save it, go to browser. So here we are getting a QR code because we are specifying a text here. In case if I will not specify a text here, just simply delete this, save it, and you will see this blank div. Now if I'll enter hello world, click on generate, I'll get the QR code. If I'll put some link, for example, just copy this and paste it here, I'll get the QR code for this. Okay, you can also specify google.com, whatever you want. Okay, and it will generate the QR code for you. So this is a piece of code which you actually need to make it work. Just specify your options, call this method, and you are done with this. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.